Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Mischief. Richie here, where I talk about my favorite thing in the entire world, goddamn cryptocurrency. That's right. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a very hot issue and a very big question. Can the meme coin supercycle of 2024 and 2025 make you a millionaire in crypto gains, right? Is it possible, right? How do you find these meme coins, which are going to have these unbelievable gains? Have you already completely missed the bus if you're not invested in meme coins right now? And you might be looking at the entire market cap of meme coins and thinking, oh my God, this is too confusing. I have no idea what to buy, right? I don't know what to go for. I don't know what chain and I don't know which coin. And I've bought some in the past and they've completely wrecked me, right? So how do you find the right ones? How do you find the right meme coins? You can come over to, for example, here, this is, Banter Bubbles. And we've selected memes, right? And this is just for the week. And, some of the weekly gains of 260, 180, monthly gains of 1,200, 1,600% for the Doge government efficiency, which was quite a hot one last week. Even Pepe coin, which I've been talking about for a long time, has finally started to move up to $5. This is different to the normal Pepe, which is, of course, here, which is also 30% up on the month, 124% on the month. This is even the old classic, first ever meme, I guess. Doge and Pepecoin, two very old memes, are doing extremely well this month. And if we go on the yearly, of course, for meme coins, you're seeing absolute face melting gains here with 65,000% up. Another one we talked about today, MPC, 6,000% up, right? So this is unbelievable performance from assets. And everyone is talking about the Memecoin Supercycle. To quickly explain, we're going to check out a couple things. We've got some charts. I have a video, which I think everyone who is even thinking about investing into meme coins should be getting into. But even if we come here, right, and we check, what's then been going on with, for example, the hot narrative from last year, or especially this year, was airdrop farming, right, for layer 2 coins. Yeah, we had Blast, we have Manta, we have Tyco, we have Merlin, Starknet. Yeah, we got in all these. We have Scroll here, right? All of these down, right? Not only did we spend time, a lot of time and a lot of gas trying to farm these airdrops, when they finally arrived, we can see that it's all pretty depressing what it's all turned into. Even coming to layer ones, we haven't really seen, apart from that huge ohm there, haven't really seen huge gains from even holding our stable assets for the year, right? Of course, the outperformers would be probably Sui, Solana, BNB doing very well, right? But a lot of the coins, which we've been holding for a long time, have not done what we thought they would. Look at Kuji, down 90%, right? Atom, down 40%. Phantom, all coming now, 167 now, right? So definitely when we come across and we look at everything that's going on in crypto and we check out memes for the year, they are where the money's been made. Nowhere else really has had the kind of explosion of profit making and community building that meme coins have had, right? Now, we're going to check out a few things today. The first thing I would say is if you are interested in memes, just come over to token 2049, right? And just take 20 minutes and listen to Murad and talk about this, right? I was talking about this on the Twitter Spaces earlier, last week actually I was talking about this. Just watch this video. He goes through it all, right? He explains that, for example, tokens which are listed on Binance in 2024 so far have underperformed massively, right? He also goes into, the pyramids and ideas of what happens with a lot of coin launches, right? You have the token founders, then you have VCs who buy into early in the token, you have angel investors, centralized exchanges, market makers, Twitter calls, Telegram callers, YouTubers, CT traders, and retail exit liquidity are all things which normal crypto coins have to deal with for sell pressure. Whereas with a meme coin, when a meme coin is created, the supply is 100% minted out on launch. And there's generally not pre-sale for a meme coin. There was a fad of meme coin pre-sales from about 6 months ago, And as many did predict on YouTube, I wasn't one of them, but many people did predict that they would underperform, and they have very much underperformed, right? So generally, meme coins don't need pre-sales. They just list, people buy them, people fall into the communities, people talk about it. There's sometimes very high sell pressure on meme coins, which adds to huge volatility in the chart. But that offers the chance for people with not much capital to invest to grab those tokens at a lower price, right? To then work with the community, pushing the token as much as possible on Telegram, on X, to their friends. Other people come in and buy. And those people who only invested a small amount of money in the grand scheme of things, but could have been a lot of money for them, suddenly find themselves with lots of capital and lots of value worth inside of this meme, okay? So this is what meme coins can offer you. They can offer you the chance to invest what would be a small amount of capital, say $200, right? And turn that $200 in the space of a month, right? into $10,000, right? And then if you think about it, if you're then been doing this for a while, say you've been doing this on the yearly, right? And you're continually pooling your profits out of one coin and into the next one, you can then start flipping that $200 to $10,000 to $50,000 to $100,000 and getting from $100,000 with a meme to 1 million with a bit of luck and a good knowledge of how to find the good ones. You could easily turn that into millions of dollars, right? That's the reality. On the other side, you could choose the wrong one and it can go terribly. It can go to zero. Community leaves, no one's interested anymore, and you're left holding the bag, right? So how to find these hot and fantastic communities of meme coins, which can make you have these kind of life-changing gains from just holding a token, right? Just from holding a token, okay? So I would suggest first get into YouTube after this video and check out what Muran is saying. He talks about the Memecoin Supercycle, which is beginning now, I believe, because we can see from the chart that meme coins have been cycling for a long time. Looks like they're coming up to get into their third cycle, okay? We have a look at that soon. But if we look at the current market cap of memes from just a few, this is from 1 month ago, they've grown a little bit since then, but we can see we are $8 billion in meme coins, right? Where you compare that to altcoins, which we have a lot of as well, but altcoins are sitting at $850 billion. So even for memes to get to the same size as altcoins in the next year, we are looking at serious 10 to 20x's of the current market, okay? And at the same time, altcoins are unlocking, 20% of their value in the next 5 years. So as altcoins are unlocking their value, meme coins are already in full circulating supply. I think only set to continue to grow larger. Let's check this out. So this is a little chart, which I think is pretty good. This is the Memecoin Supercycle, how to find the best memes, right? So we have so many kinds of memes now. Memes are everything, okay? You have celebrity coins, you have S-coins and trash, you have irrelevant memes, we have phrase coins, we have animal coins, schizo coins, culture coins, relevant meme coins, but then we have the coins in which we really find huge gains. This would be a cult, a lifestyle, brand, or subculture, a movement or a mission, and a neo-religion, right? Ooh. Religious coins. Religion as in this is how I live my life, okay? So if we talk, I would say cults would be where you want to try and get to with any meme coin that you choose. Is it going to turn into a cult? How do cults get formed inside of crypto? I've been in a few crypto cults actually in my time. What happens is you buy into the project and suddenly, and without warning, this project does so well for you that you are making not just more than your ROI, you have made 10 times, 20 times the money with this project. Once that happens to you, once you've made that much money with the project, whoever is founding that project or running that project begins to become your guru, right? The leader, the ultimate crypto chat that you've ever known, because they alone have spearheaded your financial success. This can happen with, of course, projects, ROI dApps. This can happen with DeFi, like even Vitalik, right? Could be seen as a cult leader, right? Or Richard Hart from Hex. Forex Shark from Drip became a cult leader because of the success of Drip in the last cycle. But with meme coins, of course, no one really is totally 100% in charge. It's community. And that's what makes it a movement or a mission. The fact that it's just not one man spearheading everything. It is a community of holders of a token who believe in the project and continue to work together to push it forward. And that's what we want to try and find. That's the key to success with memes. Now, I'm not going to tell you today in this video which memes I think you should be buying, and that's for your own decision. You have to make your own decisions on which ones to buy. We are getting into a time in the market where you're probably going to have a much higher chance of success than not success with memes, in my opinion, okay? Especially if you if you stay in the top 100 of meme coins, right? So this would be top meme coins by market cap, okay? Already up to $99 billion, right? Which is crazy because here it was $40 billion. So it's already doubled in a month, the market cap of memes. Impressive stuff. So, and we'll always see on CoinGecko, you have on the right here, largest gainers and trending coins. I generally, if I'm not holding this coin already and I see largest gainer or a trending coin, then I fade it, right? Because I've already missed the boat. What you're trying to do is either find the ones which are negative at the moment, which could turn positive, or ones that haven't so far performed yet, or just one that relates to you. You like the imagery, you enjoy the community, you like what they're building, you trust the founders, and you trust the community who are involved, okay? These are some things to look into, okay? Because you can come down here and you're gonna be met with hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of meme coins, right? All trying to do the same thing, to make you and make the holders completely stupidly rich, right? And how to find which ones you like. So we could break, I think, the meme coins into a couple categories today. And the ones that I think most people will be looking at to make the biggest gains on for the coming market, for the coming super cycle, will probably be the Boys Club, right? So the Boys Club, of course, was created by Matt Fury, who is an artist, and he created Pepe the Frog, right? Pepe, the top 3 meme coin of all meme coins, right? The big boy, the big bad boy. I do hold Pepe. I made a lot of money on Pepe. I bought it in the first couple of days of it launched. We covered it on this channel, right? And we did make crazy money from it. It's not the most decentralized meme coin. It's not the most honest meme coin, but it has managed to turn into a cult icon, which is why it's number 3. You can find other ones from the Boys Club. We have Pepe. We have Brett, who you can find over on BaseChain. We also can come down. You can also find Pepe Coin, which is one of my larger holdings, up to $5. Yeah. We would then find also ones such as Andy, Ponk. These are all characters from the Boys Club, okay? So there's Andy down here, 317 market cap, okay? Up 83% on the week, right? So these are all doing great. I think they're going to continue to climb up together and kind of become a very huge cult aspect inside of memes. The problem with this is that because it's decentralized, there are 10 Andys, there are 10 million Pepe coins, there are so many. It's hard to find what is the real one, who is the original project, and which one that has integrity to continue to work and not sell their tokens on top of your head, okay? Other one, of course, you would go for would be dog coins. So this dog go to the moon, which is on Bitcoin chain, would be the top Bitcoin chain dog coin. We, of course, have Doge, which will have multiple entries into this. And then you can continue falling down the rabbit hole of different styles. Okay, we have AI meme coins here with Turbo. Turbo is another great frog coin, but not Boys Club. And this is an AI-powered meme coin, 100% community made with a great story behind it too. It was created by a YouTuber who just used AI to create the token, and it just completely took off. And now it's $600 million market cap coin, right? So lots of things to do, lots of ones to look at. And I'm going to just pick out some of the ones that I like today in the next, and we're going to do this for about 5 minutes, then we're going to end this video. In the next video, I think I'll talk a little bit more about how to earn good passive income from holding your memes using liquidity pools, because that's what I do with about half of my meme bag. Half of my meme bag, I will hold half of them just liquid, and the other half of them I pair in liquidity to start earning passive income from them. And I've figured out a pretty good strategy on how to do that, and it's been earning me really good passive income just from these memes, getting the upside on them and also getting daily earnings in the chain token that they're on. Right. So we're going to focus mostly on Ethereum and Sui today because that's where I like to buy memes at the moment, right? So let's just get straight to it. Let's get straight to it. So of course, if you're a watcher of this channel, you will know that we have our own meme coin called Sui Trump, which is a Trump-themed coin on Sui chain. We launched it about 3 weeks ago, and we are continuing to build this coin's community and get ready for our next leg up in the success story of Sui Trump. I would say it's still microcap phase for a meme. It's all about winning. We've managed to list ourselves on 4 dexes so far on the Sui, and the next steps, of course, would be the CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and SEX listings, which we're working on, and we're also building a yield farm for burning this coin. So this will be one that I'm going to continue to work on in the future. I suggest you click on the link in the description, get into our Telegram if you have any more questions about Sui Trump, what we're doing. Of note, just to explain my integrity behind this project, because I think this is important for running any project in crypto, is that we started with 12% of the supply in marketing and 5% of the supply in the team wallet, right? We did hit a $900,000 market cap, which was our all-time high after launch. We completely blew up like memes do, right? We caught it early. We launched on Move Pump. It went up 30x to the all-time high. We've then since cooled off, and now we're coming into our, I think this is our capitulation stage. Now the holders who believe in the project are staying in the project. The ones who just wanted the quick gains have moved on to something else, right? So now we're working on getting our Telegram and our Twitter to be stronger, more community, more trust, more community building, and these kind of things. With this, we have kind of settled around about 150 to 170,000 market cap, and we have about $90,000 worth of liquidity between 2 dexes on Cetus and on Move Pump, right? So that's our coin. Of interest, you can see here we have the holders. So this would be my wallet here, which is the marketing wallet, which you can see. I have not profited personally from anything to do with Sui Trump yet. I really don't think a market cap so low is worth profiting yet. If it doesn't get to 5 million, what's the point, right? So that's it. And that is a huge, what's that? That'll be another 20x from where we're at the moment. I also have another wallet. I think, yep, this is my wallet here. This one here is my wallet, but most of this wallet I have in liquidity because I do have about 7% of the supply also in this one. And I have another wallet down here somewhere as well with more of the token. So I have a large supply of this token. I'm holding it, and I don't think you have to worry about that because I'm telling you right now on video with my face. So it's like everything's on chain. You can check it out. So we have some strong holders of this coin. This wallet here bought on launch. They have not sold a single coin yet. This one as well has not sold a single coin yet. And as we come down past top 10 holders, you'll see that no one else really has more than 1% of the supply of the coin, and the distribution of it is starting to look really great. This is good because I want as many people holding this coin as possible. We have at the moment 6,500 holders of Sui Trump, and that's about to grow as well because we are doing 2 airdrop campaigns currently. The first one is involved with joining our liquidity providing on Cetus, which I've talked about in other videos. I won't talk about it today, but by doing that, you can then get into our airdrop campaign where I'm logging the wallets. You're getting points, and we have another 7 days left for that, where you can win $1,000 and you can win more Sui Trump. And for our SCC DAO, which we're having governance votes on right now, I will be airdropping a percentage of the team supply tokens to every single SCC NFT holder, which you need to get on to Snapshot if you own our NFT for this channel, and you will be getting sent Sui Trump tokens to join our community over there as well. But that's Sui Trump, and we're not listed on CoinGecko yet or anything like that, so it's still very much a beginning stage. If I was to then pivot, right, and let's start thinking about, what are the big boys, the huge memes on Sui chain, which are already established, which I think are going to be the winners for this cycle. In my opinion, there's only one which I own myself, and none of this is financial advice, right? But I'm just going to tell you about it, right? So the ones which I will go for would have to be, where is it? Here, okay. So this is my favorite meme, which is not my own meme. It's not Sui Trump, but it's still pretty good. This is Blub. So Blub, again, is a boys club token, another character from the Boys Club, Matthew Riart, and it is a fish on Sui, right? Blub, they always calculate their, their market cap in $1 billion conversions. So if you had this much Blub, then when it's $1 billion market cap, you would have $158,000. So I use Cetus with Blub. So here you can see what I'm doing. So I don't own any liquid Blub. I have been farming this inside of a concentrate liquidity pool. Now I've gone extremely wide range. You can see I went from really low to really high range. I didn't go full range. Sometimes I often do go very full range, but I just went kind of wide, thin range. You can see my base amount of Blub at the moment is that 5 billion. So, you know, you can come to their site, you can paste in what that would be. And at $1 billion market cap, my $800 of Blub would turn into $14,000, right? Which is a nice little bag, a chunk of change right there, as I own a lot of meme coins, right? So I never put all my eggs in one basket, definitely. And of course, that is tied in with Sui token at the same time. So that would also, they would go up together, which is nice to see. So I farm inside of Blub. Why do I like Blub? So if we come to check out Blub on coin market cap, let's check out the Sui ecosystem. Of course, Sui trending today as normal, all-time high after all-time high. We can come to Sui ecosystem, right, on CoinGecko. You're going to see that Blub is quickly becoming the top meme coin on Sui already. Sudong is double the market cap of it. So Blub's sitting currently at $40 million market cap. Very small for a project like Blub, which I think has got great visuals, great story, solid community. And if you look at the yearly, it is pushing to hit the all-time high, which it was just hit just a month ago, right? So it's a new coin. And I think this is prepped for explosive growth coming into this super cycle. So Blub definitely is my pick on Sui Chain for the hit of the year for Sui Chain. What's yours? Let me know. There are so many coins on Sui Chain. I know, it's probably Sui Trump, but if it's not, then it might be Blub, okay? So that's what I do with my memes. You can see another one I do have here, which I made mistakes with, would be Sui Man, right? So yeah, Sui Man, I made my range ages ago, and I didn't think properly about I made the range too narrow, right? What happened was that essentially Sui Man dumped terribly, has started to recover quite well, but it's not recovering as well as the Sui price is performing, meaning that my range is never being met back up, because as Sui is pumping, Sui Man is pumping, but that's only pumping in liquidity. They're not pumping in the token buys and token performance of Sui Man. So at the moment I'm still out of range. It was about $800, and you can see you can really get hit by impermanent loss, because now it's only worth $272. But other ones, for example, with Sui Trump here, I'm farming with this. I went completely wide, full range. This is zero sway to infinity Sui of my position with this Sui Trump liquidity. I have liquidity over 3 or 4 wallets now for Sui Trump, and it earns me fees. So, you know, here's $3 of fees for, you know, the past couple hours. I claim those tokens. I then repair them into liquidity, building more liquidity for the project. So that's a great way to passively earn from your meme coins. Now, let's check out some Ethereum coins instead. Ethereum coins. Okay. So one I want to touch on definitely would be Andy, right? Mentioned Andy. Andy is part of the Boys Club. Andy ETH, not Andy Base. There are a lot of Andy coins, of course. This one seems to be the one that really took off the most. And you can see that it's not yet at its all-time high, which was hit in June last year, but it has tried to reach it 3 times already. This is the 3rd attempt, and it has broken through the resistance of what's going on there. This, I think, is extremely bullish for the long-term price performance of Andy. It's on ETH chain. And I like memes on ETH because they do get very high market caps. They have very high trading volume, $4 million trading volume. And if something has a high market cap and a high trading volume, that means that it is a great place for earning yield. Yes, so I yield farm with Andy at the same time. We can come and see what I'm doing inside of Crystal. This is one of our Arbitrum land pools. And you can see that with Andy, right, this is really cool, actually. Oh, not found. What's going on? Come back. Andy. Okay, so I'll just use it here. So I put in $3,300. Well, the liquidity at the moment is worth $3,300. When I formed this pair, it was under $3,000. And you can see that my profit and loss from token performance alone in the last 25, 26 days that I've been paired up with Andy and liquidity, I've made $1,000 of profit, right, from just the liquidity raising with that. On top of that, I've earned $438 of extra funds in the form of Ethereum and more Andy coin, which is giving me an average APR of 302% APR. My range on this is not very tight. I'm going quite wide range actually. So with 26 days in, I've already recovered. That is more than 10% ROI while still holding all the coins in my bag, right? So this is why I'm yield farming with Andy in this way. Now, I don't always do this because there is risk in terms of yield farming meme coins. Of course, they have high volume and high market cap, so that's great. But if you do lose your range, you could end up like I am with Suiman, where I've just lost not only my Sui, I've lost the Suiman token, I've lost the dollar values all over. A pretty bad story, right? So don't do it with all of them because then it's too much to watch. But with Andy, yeah, that's how I'm rolling with Andy. So you can check out Andy here on the boysclubandy.com, or find them on CoinGecko, where you can check out the whole community and what's going on with Andy and how it's all building. And they're great community, positive, not too big in market cap either, in my opinion, so that it's got multiple X's to go. Only 320 total market cap, which is great stuff. Another one, so very similar in market cap actually, and in terms of the counting, placement of market cap, 290. This is NPC. This is another Ethereum coin. And with this NPC coin, I simply hold it liquid in my wallet and I wait for it to continue to go up. Again, $5 million trading volume, $240 million market cap, okay? Circulating supply, completely already minted out on launch. This is a very strong meme coin. You can see from this all-time chart of how it's been performing. It has had multiple rallies, and again, it's just about to pushing again and again, attempting to break into its new all-time high, which I think will be coming any day now. After this point, the next leg up, I think, is going to get into the 5 cent. I see easily a 2x for NPC in the short-term future, in my opinion. NPC is quite unique for a meme because it is the first ever meme coin that can also be a picture. You can morph your coins into images and then morph them back from images into coins again. This predated the ERC-404 technology. You can buy it on ETH, you can buy it on Base. I hold mine on ETH because that's where I first bought it. I did really well with NPC. I bought in around about here when it was tiny, and I've held it all the way up. So I have turned a couple $100 investment, which is now sitting at $4,500, right? This would be my bag here of coins. So I've skimmed profit continuously from this on the way up at the same time, because that's also what you're supposed to do with memes. As you get another leg up and you see that you've made multiple X's again, pull out a little bit, leave the rest, and continue on your journey, right? While engaging and talking with the community, right? So I'm pretty much going to wrap that up now. It's about half an hour of talking about memes for today. I just want, I'd like you to know. So there I was talking about Sui meme coins. I was talking about Ethereum meme coins. There are meme coins on every chain. Which ones are you most bullish on? Which ones do you hold? Which ones do you think are going to really make or change your life? Or are you against meme coins? What I wanted to do in this video was just give you a bit of advice on how to hunt them, how to find them. Of course, you can go really degen with this and just start using, pump.fun, move pump, and just buying the very first day coins, but it's very hard to tell if the community for these projects has the legs and if the founders have the effort to continue to grow the project. So be very careful with that for sure. Divide your risk portfolio so you're investing smaller amounts into the brand new launching projects and larger amounts into the more established projects, which have proven that they can not only market themselves well, but their community is driving to push them to new all-time highs. Okay, I've been Richie, Crypto Mischief. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace. Don't get wrecked.